This project did the same thing that everything else in everyone's life does: test patience. I haven't magically mastered it by any means, but I've learned to complain less. It's all about just sitting down, taking a breath, and giving something a wholehearted go, even if it takes all day and night. Calligraphy is art. It's literature, it's a hint of history, and it's beautiful seeing what can be created with a sharp metal tip and some gravely permanent ink. But actually creating it, well, that's something to grin about. Learning the basics of not just Anglo-Saxon calligraphy, but calligraphy and script in some, has given me a noticeably steadier hand, the ability to sit still for more than 9 minutes, and an open door. The collective purpose of this project isn't to pass senior English, although it's an effective motivator. It's for a challenge. When was taking the easy route ever really beneficial? Even if it is just ink on paper, I still made it. I can call it my own product of effort. I fully intend to further hone my calligraphy skills, even if it is frustrating and I inevitably make a mess. It's fun. I really enjoyed it, and I'm glad this was my last-minute decision. But if there's one thing I've learned, it's to deal with it, because it won't be perfect, and it certainly won't be perfect the first time. I would like to thank my daddy for supplying me with the wood and sander, Natalie Marion for being my cameraman and second set of hands, my mom for putting up with the supplies I left in the floor in the garage, Justin Carpenter for trying to motivate me when all I wanted to do was take a break, Mr. Wagner for being understanding and letting me use his Mac, Mr. Paisley for the guiding hand, Lane Weatherman for being a great mentor, Inside Editions and Cheap Joe's Art Supply, and my panel members for taking the time to be here today.